So students, in the next video, the second video of exercise 5.5, very important exercise, we discussed up to question number 8. Now we are discussing question number 9, x to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. X to the power sin x plus sin x to the power cos x. Now again we will take this as u, x to the power sin x, and this is b, sin x to the power cos x. Now u dash, before taking u dash, first of all we will take log because ये फॉर्म कौन सा है, fx to the power gx. So when you take log, it will become sin x log x. Now it will be u dash upon u. The derivative of sin x is cos x using product rule, and then log x derivative is 1 upon x. So u dash will be x to the power sin x into cos log x plus sin x upon x. So this will be the derivative of u. Now the derivative of b, before taking the derivative, let us take log b. It will be cos x log sin x. It will be b dash upon b, derivative of cos x, minus sin x log sin x, plus cos x will be as it is. Then the derivative of log sin x, just now I told you it is cot x. The derivative of log sin x is 1 upon sin x, and the derivative of sin x is cos x. So in this way, the derivative of b will be minus sin x log sin x plus cos x cot x multiplied by sin x to the power cos x, because b will get multiplied to that side. Now as we know that y dash will become u dash plus v dash, so it will be x to the power sin x to the power sin x into cos log x plus sin x upon x plus sin x to the power cos x into sin x log x sin x plus cos x cot x. So this will be the derivative of this function given as question number 9. So x to the power, let us take it once, at x to the power sin x upon x plus cos sin x upon x plus cos x log x. It will be cos x log x, not cos log x. It will be cos x log x. So yes, cos x log x, then sin x to the power cos x, sin x log sin x, sin x log sin x with a minus sign. Yes, it is a minus sign here. So minus sin x log sin x plus cos x cot x. Okay, cos x cot x minus. So in this way you will be getting, we are verifying the answers because it is important, because if you will get some wrong answers, or if you are not getting the answers matching with the answers given at the back of the NCERT, then you will say that sir, the answer is wrong. So we have to simplify the answer up to that extent so that we get the answer which must match with the answer given in the answer sheet of NCERT books. Otherwise some students will think that there might be some wrong, or there might be some fault in the solution. So that's why I have to check the answers also along with that. Now let's move on to the next question, and the question is x to the power x cos x plus, it is question number 10, x to the power x cos x plus x to the power x cos x plus x square plus 1, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Now again we will take u, x to the power x cos x, and this is b, x square plus 1 upon x square minus 1. Again the form which we are having is fx to the power gx. So here also we will repeat the same concept, and here also we will be applying the concept of taking log both sides. When we will take log both sides, automatically you will be having the form log u is equals to x cos x, power will come here, then log x. Now again, how many functions we are having? Here also we are having 3 functions, so it will be better if we take log again. So it will be log of log u. Any problem? फिर से log ले लेते हैं एक बार और, ताकि ये जो हमारे पास 3 फंक्शंस आए हैं ये भी सेपरेट हो जाए, अलग अलग हो जाए, और फिर हम इसका रिजल्ट लिख सकें. तो क्या हो जाएगा? log x log cos x प्लस log x, ये हो जाएगा ऐसे. अब हम डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 अपॉन log u 1 अपॉन u इंटू u डैश. आया समझ में? क्यों? क्योंकि log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? log x का 1 अपॉन x. अब ये तो x नहीं है, ये तो log u है, इसलिए इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? 1 अपॉन u, और फिर u है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x डिफरेंशिएट कर रहे हो, इसीलिए u डैश भी लिखना पड़ेगा. log x का 1 अपॉन x, log cos x का 1 अपॉन cos x, और cos x का फिर माइनस sin x. अभी मैंने आपको बता चुका हूं ये भी पहले. Then this will be, just now we had discussed, it will be like this. So u dash will be u log u this u log u will come this side, and it will 1 upon x minus 10x plus 1 upon x log x. So u dash will be, what is u? X to the power x cos x, then log x to the power x cos x 1 upon x minus 10x plus 1 upon x log x. More simplification is required. X to the power x cos x into x cos x log x, and here you will be having 1 upon x minus 10x plus 1 upon x log x. So in this way you will be getting the derivative of this function. So now let's move on to the next function. आप देख रहे होंगे जो अगला फंक्शन है हमारा वो डायरेक्टली हो सकता है. डायरेक्टली कैसे हो जाएगा? वो क्वोशिएंट टूल अगर हम लगा देंगे तो वो डायरेक्टली सिंप्लीफाई हो सकता है. इसको थोड़ा सा और सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं. x cos x log x अंदर होगा तो cos x log x हो जाएगा, है ना, और फिर ये इधर आएगा तो ये हो जाएगा माइनस x sin x log x हो जाएगा. क्यों? तो 10x है तो sin x अपॉन cos x लिख देंगे तो cos x कट जाएगा, तो x log x sin x हो जाएगा, प्लस x log x कट जाएगा तो क्या बचेगा? cos x बचेगा. तो इसको थोड़ा सा और आप सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखें तो x टू द पावर x cos x होल पावर log x अगर अपन कॉमन लें तो क्या आएगा? cos x minus x sin x plus cos x. Now it will be matching with the answer given at the back, because this must be done. X to the power x cos x, then cos x plus log x x sin x cos x. Okay, done. Now let's move on to this part. V dash will be the square of the denominator, the derivative of numerator minus numerator, the derivative of denominator. Now this can be calculated. X square minus 1 minus x square minus 1 upon x square minus 1 whole square. So it will be what? This x square get cancelled, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. So it will be minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. So this will be the value of v dash. Now the value of y dash. Y dash will be u dash plus v dash. The u dash, x to the power x cos x log x cos x minus x sin x plus cos x minus 4x upon x square minus 1 whole square. So this will be the value of the function. ध्यान रखिएगा स्टूडेंट्स, जब ये जो चीज है लॉग लेने के बाद जब ये आगे आ जाएगी तो तीन फंक्शंस बन जाएंगे और आपको पता है या तो आप इसका डेरिवेटिव लिखें तीन फंक्शंस का एक एक करके, एक का डेरिवेटिव लिखें बाकी दो को छोड़ दें, फिर एक का डेरिवेटिव लिखें बाकी दो को छोड़ दें, फिर एक का डेरिवेटिव, साथ में रहेंगे वो उनके लेकिन एक बार में एक ही डिफरेंशिएट होगा। तो ये जो है ऐसे भी करा जा सकता था लेकिन मैंने लॉग ले लिया। अगर मैं लॉग लेता हूं दोनों तरफ तो थोड़ा इजी हो जाएगा, उतना लेंथी नहीं होगा। तो लॉग जैसे ही लिया वैसे डिफरेंशिएशन आसान हो गया और फिर मैंने शिफ्टिंग करके और x की वैल्यू लिखी। तो सिंपलीफाई करने के बाद में ये जो फॉर्म आएगा वो इस प्रकार से आ जाएगा। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है, आप अच्छे से इसको करके देखिए और इफ यू फाइंड एनी डाउट देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन टेल मी और यू कैन write it in the comment box or you can directly call me and we will discuss. So there is no problem in discussing the things because when you will discuss then only the things get cleared and you will be able to solving more and more problems. Now after this the next question which we are having as question number 11, it is x cos x to the power x and x sin x to the power 1 upon x. Again you will be getting, because बेस में क्या है x cos x है, जब बेस में x cos x है तो ऑटोमेटिकली आपके पास में फिर से तीन फंक्शन आएंगे। हो सकता है क्या बल्कि हमें फिर एक बार और दो बार log अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा इसके ऊपर, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ध्यान से देखिए, द फंक्शन इज x cos x to the power x, x cos x to the power x plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x. So let u is equals to x cos x to the power x and v is equals to x sin x to the power 1 upon x. Now log u, before differentiating take log x and it will become log x cos x. Okay, so what is log x cos x? It will be log x plus log cos x. Okay, so log u, so it will be u dash upon u. We are applying the product rule for derivative of x. What is left inside the bracket? Log x plus log cos x. Then x as it is, derivative of log x, derivative of log cos x 1 upon cos x and minus sin x, that is derivative of cos x. So this you will be getting as a derivative of u, x cos x to the power x. Then this will give you log x plus log cos x. Log x plus log cos x plus, when x get multiplied inside, what you will get? 1 minus x tan x. So this will be the derivative of u dash you will be getting. Now let's move on to the next. Log v will be equal to 1 upon x log x sin x. So 1 upon x, it will be log x plus log sin x log v. Now what we will write? V dash upon v is equals to derivative of 1 upon x minus 1 upon x square. Log x plus log sin x will be as it is. Now 1 upon x will be as it is, the derivative of log x. 1 upon x, the derivative of log sin x will be 1 upon sin x, then sin x is cos x. So v dash you will be getting x sin x to the power 1 upon x into log x plus log sin x upon x square with a minus sign plus you will be getting 1 upon, or you can say you will take 1 upon x square plus cot x upon x, like this. So let us check u dash first of all. For question number 11, the value of u dash will be x cos x to the power x log x cos x. Okay, log x cos x will make it. Then x मतलब 1 minus x. Okay, 10x. Okay, done. Then sin x to the power 1 upon x. Then minus log x sin x minus log x sin x upon x square minus x square 1 upon x square plus cot x upon x. Okay, so it is matching with the answer given at the back of the NCERT. बस इतना ही करना है, ध्यान दीजिएगा. y dash is equals to u dash plus v dash. u dash में क्या लिखा हूं देखिए ध्यान से, x cos x whole power x. Now this is log x plus log cos x, so it will become log x cos x, है ना, log x cos x. ठीक है, प्लस it will be sin x upon cos x. ऐसे ही लिखा रहने दो इसको, अगर बुक के आंसर से मैच करना है तो. So it will be cos x minus x sin x upon cos x. It will like this, and then plus x sin x to the power 1 upon x, and now it will be sin x. Okay, it will be sin cos x upon sin x. So x square sin x square sin x. So sin x, then cot x cos x upon sin x. So x cos x minus log x sin x upon x square. So it will be written like this, the answer which is given at the back of your NCERT. So you kindly check it at least once, so that it will be more clear. X cos x to the power x, then cos x minus x sin x upon cos x, then log x cos x, then x sin x to the power 1 upon x, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus x cos x upon x square sin x minus log x sin x upon x square. So this will be the answer you will be getting after solving this. Now the next question starts, because all these questions are completed up to question number 11. Now some different type of questions are coming. They are also of the same type, but be careful while taking log, because taking log will be a problem for you, because this you had not done before in any of your earlier classes. ना तो 9th में किया है, ना 10th में किया है, ये हमने किसी भी अपनी क्लास में नहीं किया है. इसीलिए हमें थोड़ा ध्यान से इस पर काम करना होगा, अदरवाइज एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक हमारी किसी भी स्टेप में हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम बन सकती है, हमारे मार्क्स को डिडक्ट कर सकती है, हमारे कंसेप्ट को गलत कर सकती है, और फाइनली हमें फिर एक बार ऐसा लगेगा कि हमको ये सवाल का जो आंसर है वो करेक्ट नहीं आया. तो इसीलिए भी आपको थोड़ा ध्यान से लॉग अप्लाई करना है. Let's move on to the next question. It is x to the power y plus y to the power x is equals to 1. X to the power y to the power x is equals to 1. Again, let us take u is equals to x to the power y, b is equals to y to the power x. So log u will be y log x, and it is u dash upon u is equals to, now ध्यान से देखिएगा, y log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 upon x प्लस y का डेरिवेटिव y डैश log x, तो u डैश की वैल्यू हो गई u that is x to the power y upon x plus y dash log x. So this is the value of u is equals to x to the power y. Then log v is equals to x log y. It is v dash upon v. So derivative log y plus x into 1 upon y, y dash. So v dash will be equal to y to the power x log y minus x y dash upon y. So in this way we will be getting v dash. Now what the function was, u plus v is equals to 1. So it will become u dash plus v dash is equals to 0. So u dash is equals to minus v dash x to the power y into y upon x plus y dash log x is equals to minus y to the power x into log y minus x y dash upon y. When multiplied it inside, you will get y x to the power y minus 1 plus x to the power y dash log x is equals to minus y to the power x log y plus x y dash y to the power x minus 1. So in separate y dash, what you will be having, x to the power y log x minus x y to the power x minus 1, and here what you will be getting, y to the power x log y plus y x to the power y minus 1. So finally the value of y dash you will be getting is minus y to the power x log y plus y x to the power y minus 1 upon x to the power y log x to the power x to the power y log x, x to the power y log x minus x y to the power x minus 1. So this will be the value of y dash you will be getting. So must check it before moving on to the next question. And we are getting y x to the power y minus 1, y x to the power y minus 1, y power x log y upon x to the power y log x minus, it is plus x y to the power x minus 1. So I have written minus. So why I am writing minus, this multiply this minus and this will become plus, this minus and this is also minus, this will be minus. So it is not like that, it should be negative, minus, both minus, 0. There might be some, all are positive, all terms are positive. Why I made this negative? Log y plus x y, it is plus. So sorry, again this will be minus, when this will come to this side it will be plus. So finally all are positive like this. Now let's move on to the next question. Checking is must. जरूर चेक करा करें अपने सवाल को, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ मिस्टेक्स अगर मिल जाती है तो वो हमारे लिए ही अच्छा है, हम उसे करेक्ट करके आगे बढ़ें, क्योंकि समझदारी इसी में है कि अगर कुछ गलती हो जाती है तो उसे एक्सेप्ट करो, गलती एक्सेप्ट करके और फिर आगे बढ़ो, क्योंकि मिस्टेक्स, वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, सो मिस्टेक्स माइट हैपन. जो करते हैं उनसे ही गलती होती है, जो कुछ नहीं करते वो सिर्फ दूसरों की गलतियां ही निकालते रहते हैं. तो बेस्ट है कि हम कुछ करें, और जब हम कुछ करेंगे तो हम उन लोगों को काम देंगे जो लोग खाली बैठे हुए हैं. y to the power x is equals to x to the power y. y to the power x is equals to x to the power y. So log x log y is equals to y log x. So derivative, x का डेरिवेटिव 1, then log y का डेरिवेटिव, फिर y का डेरिवेटिव y डैश, log x plus y upon x, x upon y minus log x is equals to y upon x minus log y. So y dash will be equal to y minus x log y upon x minus y log x upon y. Simply, very simple function, taking derivative both sides, and you will be getting y minus x log y upon x minus y log x, y upon x in multiplication. So in this way we will be solving it. Now the next question, cos x to the power y is equals to cos y to the power x. Cos x to the power y, cos x to the power y and cos y to the power x. Taking log again, y log cos x is equals to x log cos y. So y dash, derivative of y, then y will be as it is, and derivative of cos x 1 upon cos x, and the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, is equals to x का derivative 1 log cos y plus x को ऐसे ही रखा log cos y का upon 1 upon cos y का minus sin y, और साथ में y dash, तो ये हो जाएगा y dash into log cos x, और ये आ जाएगा प्लस x tan y is equals to log cos y plus y tan x. So y dash will be log cos x log cos y plus y tan x upon log cos x plus x tan y. y dash की वैल्यू इस तरह से निकाली जाएगी. बहुत अच्छा सवाल. और अब हम we are now moving on to the next, again a very important question, and how it will be done. See, I am telling you, xy is equals to e to the power x minus y. The function is xy is equals to e to the power x minus y. Now derivative of x plus x derivative of y is equals to e to the, या एक काम करो सबसे अच्छा log ले लो दोनों तरफ, log x y is equals to log e to the power x minus y. ये जो आपको मालूम है पावर पहले से बताया जा चुका है, जब कोई भी log लेते हो तो पावर आगे आ जाती है, तो log x plus log y is equals to x minus y, क्योंकि log e क्या होता है, क्योंकि log e 1 होता है, log x का 1 upon x, log y का y dash upon y is equals to 1 minus y dash. तो ये कैसा हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा y dash upon y minus plus y dash is equals to 1 minus 1 upon x, y dash common 1 upon y plus 1 is equals to 1 minus 1 upon x. ध्यान से देख लीजिएगा कुछ मिस्टेक ना हो जाए. So y dash will be x minus 1 upon x upon y plus 1 upon y. So the derivative of the last 15th question is like this, x minus 1 upon 1 plus y, y upon x. So 15. Now student, we are having some more question left. So how we will be discussing those questions? Just now I am telling you. सबसे पहले question number 16. We have to find the derivative. So students, take log, equate the function with y, write y is equals to 1 plus x square, 1 plus x power 4 and 1 plus x power 8. Take log both sides, differentiate it and get f dash 1. Question number 17 also will be done like this. You have to find the differentiation. You have to differentiate it in three different ways by using product rule. So multiply it and then find the derivative, expanding to a single polynomial, then differentiate it and find the log. You will always get the same answer. Question number 18, in that you will be supposing uv as one function and w as another function. So apply product rule, and after that again uv when it is a function, then apply the product rule once more and you will be getting it. So thank you students, that's all for this exercise, very important exercise. Do practice and study. Thank you.